guys, it's Marissa. Today I'm going to show you Kiwi Lane's, or one of Kiwi Lane's pocket kits. And here you go. One of the pocket kits. And I don't think I showed you this at the Pomona booth. This is Time to Shine. And this is how they made it. They could you could use your tiny templates or even just the regular accessories templates to make the different cards that you put in your pocket pages. And let me show you what's in this kit. So in this kit, you can use the back, and this is what I like about it. You can always use the back as another piece of paper, and you can cut it out. And then you have the cards. You have several cards here. You have a 4x4, and let me start with a 4x4 since I already have them in my hand. Whoopsie. The best thing about memories is making them. You are amazing. And then here's a cute journaling card, and at the back, this is just a basic, you can add on a lot of templates on that top, and same here, just basic background. And then you have the 3x4s, hello on one. And on the other side is a journaling card. She leaves a little sparkler wherever she goes. I wish I could be that. Or I hope I am that. Cherish all your happy moments. And then we have the ampersand, enjoy the little things. Another journaling card. Today's little moments. This could go, you could use this for Easter, for baby pages, for anything practically, because again, it's time to shine. It's so generic. That's what I like about their kits. Very generic, and you can use them for any theme that you're working on. Enjoy today, you and me. I'm sorry if I'm not in frame. I'm looking at the cards and not the... Okay, and then another journaling card. I love all of this. P.S. I love you. Chase your dreams. I love my life. And the ones in it. Yes, that's me. And then you have the 4x6s cards. Time to shine. Then we have another journaling card here. The best time for new beginnings is now. Then let your light shine because it's your time. And then another journaling. Better together. Do what you love. Yes, always. And then I think this is a 6x8 card that you can cut down into whatever size you want. So it's front and back. Same thing with this and right there. This I think are 4x6s, and you get 6 of them. I'm sorry, 4x12, and you get 6 of them. And you have this papers here, really cute papers. Very, very cute. And like I said, they're basically generic for anything that is Easter, spring, babies. Even for me, I'll use this for a party or something that I could, any kind of theme. Again, now, lastly, you have this 3. Now, don't forget, you have this. So, really, you have 7. 3 of this 12x6s. Oh, wow, I like this paper. And then this. And that's the back. And, of course, this. And that. And that's it. So if you have any questions, I will leave a link down at the bottom of the description box for my website, Kiwi Lane website. And guys, if you enjoyed this, please thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thank you. Bye.